and I will be doing my Module 15 reflection over interactive gaming. And the first thing that I will be going over is can these interactive games really help teach students important content? And I think in a way, yes, I think it's a really fun and exciting way for kids to learn. I think it helps them realize that it can be fun and it helps them pay attention more, which initially could help teach them, but I don't think it should be the only way of teaching them content, obviously, but I think it is a way that they can learn. And then any examples of how I could be using this in my own classroom. And I think this is a really, really fun way of helping kids maybe review content that you've already been teaching them or going over. So it's a reviewing tool of information and content. And then, yeah, or just any kind of fun pre-quiz or test activity that you can do with your kids to help them interact with each other, work together as a team, and be able to learn at the same time. I think it's really great. I personally love doing these kinds of activities to get everyone involved and excited about learning the information. And then what template did I use and what game did I develop? I went to the website of Internet for Classrooms, and I used the template of the Easy Jeopardy template. So I made a Jeopardy game, and I had never made one before, so I thought it was really fun. I just found I wanted to do fourth grade science because I really enjoy learning about science and teaching science. So I just found 4 categories of fourth grade science, and I found questions and wrote questions on those contents. So I had a lot of fun making that. So that's a template that I use. If I had any problems with it, or if my template was user-friendly, I had some trouble with ones in the beginning, so I ditched them, and then I found the Easy Jeopardy template, and it was really easy to do. I originally was trying to open up PowerPoint and then download the game onto it, but with this template, when you were going to download it, it gave you the option for it to already open up in a PowerPoint ready to go. And so that's what I chose to do, and so that was pretty easy to figure out after that. The third one is again, any of the examples using this in the future classroom. I think there's a lot of ways that you could use this in a future classroom. There was a lot of other games that you could play, but in particular, I love Jeopardy games, and it just gets the entire classroom excited, and you get to work in teams, so it's great for everyone to be participating. And so yeah, any kind of reviewing group activity, I think this is great to use in the future classroom. So yeah, I love using this kind of technology in the classroom, and I will definitely be using it in my future classroom.